Hi everyone, welcome to my another video. In this video, let's talk about situation with RingCentral stock and let's see what happens. And you can check out my other videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification bell, and I am starting now. So let's see what happens. After my recommendation at $34 price, it crashed, and let's see how much it crashed. And now is a pretty good chance to buy with minus 18% cheaper. And if you can see here, there is a beautiful accumulation period of this stock, and that is a pretty good chance to buy. Let's open the weekly time frame and let's see the full chart. The all-time high that I have shown in my previous video about RingCentral, and you can see the average buying price of RingCentral from Vols is like this. Big players are investing in RingCentral now in this current price, while crowd are not believe on this RingCentral. Let's remove. Okay, and here you can see the price chart of RingCentral, and this is accumulation period since 2022, and now it's 2025. Around 3 years in accumulation period, and after a while when you buy at $28-$29, it will be 1500% growing potential. In 5 years maybe can be happen this, or maybe few years, just 3 years, maybe 2 years. Let's see how quickly the price can go back to up to the all-time high, update the all-time high and go, for example, here is 400, yes, 433. Maybe then it can go to $600 or maybe 800, I think, or maybe the price can go hit to $240 in the worst case of scenario, or maybe here at around $130. That's also can a good profit for you. For example, if you wait with a minimum conservative goals, for conservative goals like this here, 368% for conservative investors who want to get out from this project earlier. You can do that. But by the way, I prefer to hold until the all-time high or maybe higher than all-time high, but I may start selling at this point or maybe at $300. That's it. I want to remind about top holders of RingCentral stock, and we can see major holders by breakdown by percent. Here you can see Vanguard Group is top one. You can see with 14%, and data of announcing is 31 December 2024, around $337 million. Capital worth investors around $308 million. Siberia Capital LLC, you can see $218 million. Armpress financial here, Ameri price. Anyways, 188 million, and here BlackRock holds $167 million. So State Street Corporation also here, Resilience Technologies, First Trust Advisors LP, and top holders in RingCentral. Here top mutual fund holders, you can see Small Cap World Fund, here Growth Fund of America, and a lot of funds hold like this, around 5%, 4%, 3%, 2%. You can see how much they hold. So my final recommendation, I think it must be in your portfolio, must have stock. So I finished my video, and if you find my video not helpful, then dislike my video and forget about my channel and videos. If you find helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos about crypto and stock market, about stocks, about my recommendations that no one is talking about of bloggers when the price on the bottom. Basically, bloggers are talking about the assets when the price in the process of going like this. Think that you don't know what will be happen the next. And this stock is growing, and the bloggers are saying buy now because it's continue growing. Of course, people are jumping, and then they are voila catching correction. And let's see how much discount. Let's remind how much discount. If you investing here, you are waiting for just 50%, 56, and then you are catching correction around 87%, and that's it. And of course, a lot of people sold here because they invested here and then go minus, and then they think it's better to sell my 10% of left from invested money, 10% left, and they decide to sell in minus and take it little money to make, of course, to avoid losing, of course. Instead of think about buying this stock with minus 87% or 90%, buy now, buy more, accumulate more. Here, 3-year period, and you are not accumulating this stock. I don't know. And then when price will go up here, you will regret that you didn't accumulate this stock earlier. That is my opinion. Again, when you are buying now, just be ready if the price crash, for example, in force majeure situation can be happen in any stock market, any crypto, and this can crash, for example, 40% minus or maybe 50%. But I'm not waiting here to lower. Maybe it will be, for example, minus 13%, but I will not keep attention on this if price crash to minus 13%. By the way, now is a good chance. After a while, if you are not buying and the price going here, you will miss this entry point. And then wait for long term, for minimum 5 years or more, to see the result. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Check out my other videos of YouTube, my Telegram channel about investing in stock and crypto, my thoughts, my podcast, you can find out here. Link here in my bio, and also I will leave the link in description. Of course, holder information and website of RingCentral I will link down below. Alright guys, thanks, see you in the next video, bye bye.